How to add WhatsApp chat button in Google Sites.
So in your Google Sites account, select the sites that you want to add the WhatsApp chat button. So in here, you can select from any of these provided templates, or you can create your own. But for this, I will be using this site called Microbiome. So apparently, you cannot directly create the WhatsApp chat button using Google Sites. So for this, we will be using a third-party website, which is called Elfsite. So just search for Elfsite and then select the first result that will show. So you don't have to worry as this website offers a free subscription. So just sign in, or if you already have an account, then log in and then go to widgets and then search for WhatsApp. So here you will find this WhatsApp chat. So just select that. And then on your left, you will see these templates. So you can select from any of these provided templates to be embedded on your site. So for this, I will be using this general template. So just click continue. And then you can customize any of these options. For instance, this chat bubble. So you can select any of these icons for you to use. But for this, I'll be leaving it as it is. Now, input in your phone number. Once you're satisfied, click Add to Website. And then click Publish. And as you can see here, it offers you a free subscription. So select this. And then copy this code by clicking Copy Code. Now, once you're done, go back to Google Sites and then click this Embed option. And then go to Embed Code and paste the code. And then click Next. So just click Insert. So you can move this by dragging it. So once you're done, you can now hit the Publish button. And so that is how you add WhatsApp chat button in Google Sites. Thank you and have a great day.